Dude, if anything, dude, right now, you're gonna be great. Anyway. And this kind of goes off the thing. I love that. Number 8 is good. See, this is why I do this. It's pretty good, right? Yeah. So one day, dude, I want you to come down and we can customize and make more of your own, but sit down with people and I'll give you the same script and you go out and do this, you know? My mission is to make everyone a lot more money by just being around me. JeffJCunningham.com, inspire others always. Welcome to Changing Lives Coaching. I am proud to bring you something that I believe is my gift and fulfills me more than anything, is to actually coach you to find your skill to make money to fund your passion. As you saw, Andy was one of the past clients that I coached before that actually just recently I reached out to him and he's like, Jeff, I closed a 22,000 commission deal. And I remember just thinking, man, this is always what I wanted to do. And as everybody kind of got locked in, I launched Changing Lives Coaching. And before I get into exactly what we cover, I want to tell you about the name. Changing Lives Coaching came from when I used to teach at behavioral middle school. Before I lost my brother, I used to be there and inspire kids to kind of chase their dreams. There was one kid, a girl, a middle school girl, Janelise, who looked at me once when I was talking to a kid and said, Jeff, we changing lives? And I was like, yeah, we are. So we used to yell down the hallway, changing lives? It was really adorable. And it kind of branched out what this is exactly all about today. Changing your life. So if you invest a lot of knowledge in courses and books and maybe even had some coaching before, I know I invested $7,000 in coaching. I've gone to many different events. I've met so many different people. I've learned from so many different mentors. And my gift is really just to come back and bring it all to you. So whatever you're trying to do in life, if you're lost right now, if you don't know how to make money or you know you want to help out someone, book a coaching session. You will not be disappointed. I'm going to give you many different testimonies that you can hear from other people on how they did it. But in every coaching session, we'll have different tiers. So you can do the 1-hour coaching session with me where we're going to go over, learn about you, your current knowledge, kind of where you learn from. We're going to go through your strengths and weaknesses and how they both benefit you. We're going to find your mission statement in life or in business, wherever you're at. And we're going to give you tools, whether it's books, audio, or visual. I also give you an action plan, a 3-step blueprint of what to do next on everything that we see to help you get better success. I'm also, for a limited time, going to give you direct contact so I can actually keep up with you as you have any questions as you're going about your way. So I know this is definitely my passion. I'm always going to coach going forward, but I do know I'm not going to be able to offer this for a while because of how I want to scale it. I do want to add on coaches. I'm going to do less coaching sessions. For right now, I'm taking as many clients as I can to help really just help the economy and help find people a different path. So I actually want to read you the testimony by Andy, who said, Jeff's coaching sessions was a huge help to me. I had little direction as to what my next move was going to be. Jeff is easy to talk to and a great listener. I was impressed by how organized he was. He had specific questions that gave me a better idea of who I truly am as a person. From there, he was able to give me the advice and motivation I needed. I was unemployed and down about it, but Jeff motivated me to get out there and find out what it is that truly makes me happy. His willingness to help others is contagious. I highly recommend seeing Jeff for coaching sessions. So that's just one of many different testimonies that I'll actually put on later on. But I do also want to say, whether you book a 3-month, 6-month, or just an hour, it's all money back guaranteed. If you don't like what you're seeing, I'm not here to steal your money. I'm here to make you money. People make more money because of me. Andy's one case, and there's going to be countless more going forward. So if you're tired, if you're stuck, please book a coaching session. You won't get disappointed. I'm giving you everything I can, and I'm not going to be doing this for very often. I'm going to get back into my entrepreneur ventures and venture off into stuff, but Changing Lives Coaching is something I really want to live on. So I also am looking at, if you're a coach and you're looking what to do, I just coached a coach who didn't know how to make money, and I gave her tips on how to make more money and offer value and always over deliver like I plan to do. I know I've made Matt more money. Keon, one of the coaches, he's booking coaches now just because of a coaching session with me. So sometimes you only need one, and even Grant's made more money because of me. So this is it. No matter what you're doing right now, book right now. I would love to see you on the other side and sit down, learn about you, and help you get to your next goal. So that's it, guys. Inspire others always. We changing lives.
You totally over-delivered today, by the way.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
You did.
Thank you. All right, Antoine, how beneficial do you think that coaching session was?
It was really good.
Yeah, not bad, right? I mean, this guy gets excited over a potato sack dance, you know?
This is why I want to coach people, because I don't want people to lose their money. You know, that's why I'm here doing this like now, you know? So did you find any of this beneficial?
Yes, very beneficial.
Right? So,
Yes.
all right. That's good, thank you. So I
100%.
I would even ask hard questions, you know? So.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right,
Yeah,
awesome. So I'm actually going to send you this video just so you can do it, all right?
Yeah. That's
all right,
perfect.
awesome. Thank you. So, yeah, so that was my 6 minutes that I had. I have to actually jump on another call now.
You're educating me on things that I should know.
You know what? You provide, I believe in your mission, and you're able to help me believe in my own mission, but more importantly, I think you help me take action, which is necessary to accomplish all the goals and all the dreams and all the visions that I have.
Yeah, you definitely gave me some clarity on things that that I knew what to do, but I didn't know how to do it.
Good. My brain is floating. I got a page and a half of notes, and just like the first one, I mean, over a page of notes, more questions, definitely gonna need to chat some more.
But this was super valuable, and I'll be for sure, let's stay in touch, and I'll be coming back, that's for sure.
With Jeff the Entrepreneur, it is so good. You gotta listen to it. It's so inspiring. He gave me basically a life coach. So if you want to learn how to make money, if you want to find your purpose, if you want to find your why, do what you love in life, if you want to find some clarity, if you're maybe at a crossroad, you don't know which way to go, this has been such an inspiring episode for me. Such a life-changing event, so I'm so grateful that Jeff came on my podcast. His name is Jeff Cunningham. He's gonna have a podcast too soon. It's gonna be called Make More Money. Make More Money, yes. And I'm gonna be on it too, so check that out once. He helped me so much realizing that I want to do these videos and that I want to actually open up and talk about